So, moving on to the next thing in this startup founder page, I think, okay, let me optimize my pitch scripts. Um, Let me create a pitch script out of this, this whole context now. Let me create a pitch script. Let me ask it to create a compelling pitch script for my startup, for this startup. And make it 3 minutes. Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce, this is a 3-minute script. It says below if I read. Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce DataPlace, a data analytics company that is helping businesses make informed decisions and increase profitability. DataPlace provides affordable this, enabling this. Since our inception in 2018, we have taken pride in delivering high quality and customized data analysis services to our clients. Our goal is to do this. We understand the importance of this. By leveraging this at DataPlace, we believe that. Thank you for your attention, and we're excited to work with you to help our business thrive. Participating, okay, no, this is out of it. So you see, you now have a 3-minute pitch script, and let me say this is 3 minutes, right? And let me say create an elevator pitch with this. Very short. DataPlace is this, with this, with this, 1 minute script. Let me insert it below. This is the elevator pitch script version of this very long 3-minute speech. So you can see how powerful Notion AI is. It's actually better than ChatGPT. I don't know if you agree with me, or I need to show you more things to convince you. Okay, so who agrees with me? Just give me, maybe say yes or no in the great. And the good thing about it is that you can save this document. You can just give it a title, my pitch scripts, and it is saved here. And maybe you just add like an icon or whatever you want to add here. Let me do this icon for my startup. Launch, yes, startup. So my pitch script, and this, you could just have it here. You can optimize it, you can change whatever you want from this pitch script. You can have it here forever. You can still have your documents there forever. So let's look at the next use case. Okay, yeah, preparing for interview. Now let's see this one. Say you've gotten to a program, startup program now, or sorry, you got an acceptance email and you are invited for an interview. You can ask Notion AI to give me the top 10 interview questions to expect from a startup funding program focused on, if you give it more context, it will help you with the best questions and answers, focused on health tech, startups, and yeah, focus on health tech startups. Then also give me the best responses for each of the questions the interview questions here. Great. So these are the questions. What inspired you to start a health tech startup? So now, because I didn't add the name of the health tech startup, that's why it's not giving me, it's not adding the name here. So if you give it more context, if you make it specific, your question is quite specific, it give you the best response. So what inspired you to start your health tech startup? This is the best response. Our inspiration to start a health tech startup came from our personal experience with the healthcare system and our desire to make healthcare more accessible, affordable, and personalized for everyone. So if it has like contents about your health tech startup, you could tell it that okay, our health tech, my health tech startup helps people get blood donation faster. The name of my health tech startup is Red Now. Respond to this. Okay, rephrase this response to fit my business type. Let's see what's going to happen. I've not tried this before, but let's see. Okay, so at your health step startup name, we are inspired to start our business because of our personal experience. Problem. No. Let me do this. My business type is a health tech startup that helps. Let me just try this other one if it's going to work. Okay, perfect. Red Now, let me insert below. Red Now, a health tech startup that helps people get blood donations faster, was inspired by our personal experiences with the healthcare system. We understand the urgent need for blood donations and the challenges that come with finding donors quickly. Our goal is to make the process of finding blood donors more accessible, affordable, and personalized for everyone. So it's giving me questions, the best response, and because I've given it more context, I have shown it. I told Notion AI the name of my business is Red Now. We are a health tech startup, and this is what we do. Respond to this question or rephrase this response and make it fit my business type, and it has done that. So with Notion AI, you can actually help lots of startups to prepare for their interviews. You can get paid to do this for them. So you see now that it's not something you need to rack your brain, go and do research. You can do the research right here in Notion AI, right? You can create those content for them right here in Notion AI. You can help them prepare for their interviews right here in Notion AI. And the good thing about Notion is that you can actually share with people. You can invite guests, add people to come here, and you can give them full access to edit it, comment, or just view alone. And you can remove anybody anytime. You can give them full access. So say you're done working for a client, working for a startup, like you come up with interview questions that they should be preparing for their accelerator program, and then bringing up best answers, best responses, and making it to fit their startup. When you are done, you just share with them, add them to view it. So once they pay you, you can add them to edit it, or maybe copy it and go somewhere else, or comment. right? Or you can remove them anytime. Say they don't want to pay you, you can just remove them anytime, right? So, but then you do everything here with Notion. You can do your research here with Notion.